All right guys, I'm Jonathan with Nomadic Cooling. What I have right here is the Dometic 2000 RTX 12 volt DC powered air conditioner. This guy is built to run right off your house batteries at 12 volt to keep you cool in your RV, coach, or van. Whatever you need, if you need to stay cool, maybe this is going to be the right thing for you. There are no official unboxing on YouTube as of yet, so this will be the very first one. I'm excited to see what's inside. I hope you guys are too. Let's get after it. All right, honestly, Kenneth, the first thing that I couldn't believe when this came in is actually how small the box is. Compared to our Nomadic Cooling air conditioner box, this thing's about half the size. All right, we have instructions in many different languages. I will tell you the Nomadic Cooling doesn't come with any instructions in any other different languages. So this right here, Dometic, I'm impressed. We don't do that around here. This right here, Kenneth, is the cooler accessory box for the RTX 2000. It says it right here on the label. It says mobile living made easy. They're trying to make mobile living made easy, guys. I am a mobile liver and I like it when things are made easy. Looks like we've got a rubber gasket, wiring harness kit. We've got some bolts and some riv nuts. Very big directions, guys. Big direction book. I'm always impressed with lots. Let me just show this to everybody here. I mean, boom, check that out, Kenneth. I don't know exactly how many languages this thing is in, but I mean, I will tell you guys right now, you're not getting this with a Nomadic Cooling air conditioner, okay? We can't even spell this many words. I also have this big plate, which I'm assuming is going to be the interior trim piece. So let me show that to you. Super beautiful. Look at that. Okay. We've got two of these, what I'm guessing are mounting plates. And if you hear that in the background, that's my guard dogs barking. Nothing to be worried about. So take a look at that. I'm assuming this goes underneath to hold the air conditioner to the ceiling. I actually like that. So guys, that's the easy installation kit. And then further off, we'll go ahead and figure out how all this goes together once I get Mackenzie to read the instructions and explain to me how they work. Box number 2, guys. Let's see what's inside. We've got a roof window template. All right, so this probably tells you the exact size to cut your hole inside the ceiling. Okay, so you're gonna need to cut almost the 19-inch hole by 15 1/4. So 19 by 15. Make sure you write those two numbers down to make sure you have the correct placement for your solar panels in the front. Maybe you have a max fan. Maybe you have something else going on in your roof. These numbers will become very important, so 19 by 15. It looks like we've got either 4 AWG. I'm guessing this is probably 2 AWG wire, which is the same exact wire size that we recommend for Nomadic Cooling air conditioning wire harness. So this is already in a double, if not triple insulated wiring harness. So super good quality there. Let's also see what they give us on the other side of this. They've got a really nice Anderson connector here, plug and play, already pre-wired for you with the heat shrink already done for you. So I mean, guys, this is quality stuff here. Let's see, they're also gonna give you what looks like an inline breaker and a smaller breaker with a couple fuses in here, guys. And it looks like it's already got the extra wire protection on there. So this is super sweet. This is included with every air conditioner purchase, so you'll get all this as well. Okay, I'm gonna lift this. I was very shocked at how small the box was. Okay. All right. Nothing to see here, people. Nothing to see here. Did you guys see how I just lifted that? Okay. All right. Let's cut that. I should not have tried to lift that by myself. Okay. The Dometic RTX 2000 DC 12 volt air conditioner right here at Nomadic Cooling. Let's take a look inside the box and see what we got. I haven't seen it inside, neither have you. Let's check it out together for the first time. Boom. I gotta be quite honest with you. It's goddamn sexy, okay? Look at this thing. It's got 2 fans. Look how small. I could just wrap it like a little baby. Look at this thing. I mean, this thing right here, stellar. Boom. It's so small. Let's see exactly how wide we've got here. I mean, we're 35 wide by just taping it like 30 forward. So I mean, but she's just absolutely beautiful. You can see the design here with the two different independent radiators with the two fans. I mean, super nice. She's beautiful. I'm not gonna lie to you. She's absolutely beautiful. Let's see, we have the power wires right here, positive, negative, and a control panel right here. This is all a singularly mounted unit, so I'm pretty sure if we go back to, let me take a look here. If we go back to this thing, this is roof window template. It's larger than this hole so that you can get this whole unit right here through your roof. Doesn't look like this is intended to come apart at all. So this is all an independent or a singular unit, and this will go right through the wall. So remember, just don't throw that guy away. That's needed, okay? So it looks like you're going to be using this system, and it's probably either going to go this way or it's going to be reverse and go this way. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, I haven't read the instructions yet. So it's going to go either of the two ways. And then it looks like your total interior depth from the bottom, or excuse me, from your headliner is going to be at least, looks about 6 inches drop right there. So, but you're going to have a little bit of leeway in there. So I'm guessing it's going to be about 5 inches down. If this covers the insulation, if you have insulation in here that comes up a little bit, this will cover it right here. You think we should give her a rip? All right, guys, we've moved into the warehouse. We've set up the Dometic 2000 RTX. Very simple setup. All we did is plug in the already provided 2 AWG wires into positive and negative and turned her on. Right now she's running. Fans are on max. Honestly, can't believe how quiet this thing is. It's super quiet. I don't know if Kenneth, if you're picking it up. I'll tell you right now, let me go over to my BMV 712. And right now, Kenneth, we are running at 15 amps and 208 watts of consumption, which is a super low number. Now I want to tell everybody right off the bat before you start putting comments in the comment section here, it's winter in Phoenix right now. It is not 100 degrees outside. As the ambient temperature rises, so does your consumption numbers. It's probably 70 degrees in Phoenix right now, maybe 68, 70 in the warehouse at the moment. So you're seeing sort of a low number. We'll do tests again when it warms up, but there's nothing I can do about it being winter. And thank God it is, because it's when it's 118 outside, it's miserable inside the warehouse. So here you have it, guys. 70 degrees in here, 209 watts of consumption. At 12 volts, we're at about 15 amps right now. Now, super tiny remote, fan up, fan down, temperature up, temperature down. It's got a beautiful remote. It's got a beautiful control center. Now, this noise that you're hearing here, you have to remember, these are the fans outside that are gonna be outside your vehicle. A well-insulated van, you're not gonna hear these, okay? Now, I will tell you that there's a huge difference between this sound of these fans in a traditional RV 110 air conditioner. This is so much quieter. Now, if I turn it off, you'll see that the fans are gonna slowly turn themselves down. What you don't hear is a big rattle like you would hear with the traditional. It's not a huge banging. There's no shutter, shutter, shutter. It's very quiet as it goes down and goes back up. And that's very important because all of the DC powered air conditioners are temperature controlled. So you're gonna set the temperature inside your van and it's gonna auto regulate. This air conditioner is no different. It'll turn itself on and off while you're sleeping. So you don't want something that's gonna be rattling around, rattle, 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 every time it turns itself on and off. You want it to be seamless. You wanna be able to put this right over your bed and be able to cool yourself at night, but actually be able to sleep. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this air conditioner on one more time so you can hear it turn itself on. Here you go. Clickety clack. Now, it's very important. I didn't read the instructions, but I was told you wanna press the button and then you wanna wait, okay? Press the button for 3 seconds. You'll see the light, you'll see everything turn on. Then wait the compressor will slowly kick on. There you go. Okay, now the fan on the inside is on, the compressor itself is not on. When the compressor kicks on, you'll see the fans on top, and you'll hear it as well, those kick on. It's sort of about a 2-minute lag from the time you turn it on to the time it starts running. That is what it is. The other thing I want to say is these little air conditioners are great for pulling condensation out of your rig. If you're in a hot, humid environment, Tennessee, Arkansas, Florida, the air conditioner is not only going to cool you down on the inside, but it's also going to keep you dry. Nobody wants to be in a wet van. Go drier in comfort with Nomadic Cooling and Dometic. That's what I always say. Okay, maybe I didn't turn the temperature. Maybe oh, there it goes. Never mind. There it goes. Just took a little time, Kenneth. Why are you always in a rush? Kenneth's always in a rush. Now the fans are going. So you saw when I turned it on, maybe it was a minute, maybe it was 2 minutes, not too sure. You just can't rush these things. The fan on means the compressor's on, which means it's cooling, okay? Right now we're at 10 amps, slowly going up to 12 amps, 13, 14. You know, I don't know if you can get in on this, Kenneth. Can you zoom in right here on this BMV 712? The people in the comments will think I'm lying to them. Okay, take a little looky right there. So we're at 14 amps, and I'll tell you the watts. 208 watts. That's a pretty low number. You got a small van, this may be the right unit for you. The DC powered air conditioner is just a better choice all around, no matter which one you get. If you're interested in hearing more about the Dometic 12-volt DC powered air conditioner, give Nomadic a call. Which air conditioner is going to be right for you is going to be dependent on a lot of different things. Just let us know what you're trying to accomplish. Do you have dogs? Do you have cats? If this is the right product for you, just let us talk about it and we'll figure out together which one's going to be right for your needs, and we'll send one out to you. Anything you need, let Nomadic Cooling know. To go further in comfort, give Nomadic Cooling a call.